Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we're going to unbox a brand new M1 Silicon Mac Mini. This is the 2020, just released a couple days ago version, hot off the presses. Just for your reference, this is an older Mac Mini. You might have seen me unbox it in the past. The chassis on the new one should be the same as the Intel one that was on sale up until 2 weeks ago. But anyway, just for reference. So let me not say that. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Hey everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. So we're going to unbox a brand new M1 Silicon Mac Mini. Yes, so this is hot off the presses, just came out about 2 weeks ago. Extremely hard to get. We just got it shipped down from China. We're here in Hong Kong, so relatively close. But if you want the high RAM version, you have to wait. Can't get it that fast. Anyway, enough talking. Let's unbox this guy. And here we are. And so just for your reference, this is the old chassis with the old processor. This is the newer chassis and now with the new processor. So anyway, let's take a look at the back. So as you can see, it's the 8-core CPU with 16 gigabytes of RAM. And keep in mind that on this new Apple Silicon, the M1, there is no upgrading the RAM because the RAM is built into the CPU. So in other words, once you buy it, that's the most RAM you're ever going to have on this thing, the most physical RAM. So don't cheap out. Pay a little bit extra for the 16 gigabytes because you're definitely going to need it by the time they upgrade the OS a little bit. And yeah, once you bought it, there's no upgrading. So spend a little bit more now and you'll definitely regret it less later. Okay, let's get it open. Okay, and here we go. Let's get this guy unwrapped. Always fun. Mac Mini. So let's just check out the box before we go any further. So again, we have, it's basically like a giant iPhone at this point. Here's your power lead. It's black now. Used to be white. I guess that's good. Progress. Do we get a sticker? We get some documentation. We get a little intro in English. We get an intro in Chinese. And we get some warranty information. And here's our sticker. Wow, that's a pretty big sticker. And now it is metallic. So different than the iPhone. So we just opened the iPhone 12 and it did not have this cool sticker. So I guess they spent a little bit more on the desktops, but actually the iPhone 12 costs more than this thing. Anyway, so that's it for the box. Not much there. Let's take a look at the computer itself. So yeah, it still has this tape around the outside. Let's try to get this guy off. Just to keep all the ports clean, I guess. Okay, so let's take a look at the back here. Power button, power input. We have our Ethernet jack. 2 USB-Cs, and I guess those are able to do quick charging if you want to plug in your iPhone. HDMI to the monitor, 2 regular USBs, USB-As, and headphone jack, and I guess that's just a vent. And yeah, it's got the Mac Mini. Pretty good. So in our office, we actually use a bunch of these, and people end up leaving them this way just because it takes up less desk space. Or they put it under the monitor. So just for the sake of comparison, let's compare the old one and the new one. So this one is like 3 years old. Okay, so the main difference is, I think you can see that there's only 2 USB-As instead of 4. And these older Thunderbolt ports are gone. And now this is the new Thunderbolt format, which is basically USB-C. So yeah, that's okay, not too bad. And this is almost exactly the same. This part is the same. So is this audio in? Is this some sort of a digital audio output? I'm not sure. But anyway, it's gone now. So that's the front. So that's the back side. So this one looks the same. The other difference is you almost can't see it, but there is a light here. That's for an LED, and it's on the bottom instead of way up at the top. And I don't remember, but I don't know if this is like an infrared thing or what, but this is gone now too. So yeah, otherwise the same. The color's the same. I think the Intel newer one, because I have one somewhere, is actually a darker shade of gray. because I never remember they changed the color. But this one looks closer to the old Mac Mini. Actually, it's almost identical. Pretty much identical, yeah. Yeah, so that's basically it for the new Mac Mini. We'll see how it goes processor-wise. If you'd like to see some speed tests, do let us know. The main thing is we were choosing between this and getting a MacBook Pro, also with the new Silicon. Yeah, we've heard that this one is nearly as fast, so why spend the extra money? We have external monitors. So yeah, just pay a few $100s less and get what you need rather than what you're not even going to use. Yeah, so that's it for today here on Howtechs. Definitely check out our other videos, our old Mac Mini unboxing, our newer Mac Mini unboxing, and now the newest Mac Mini unboxing you just watched. Okay, that's it for today. Bye. Everyone, welcome back to Howtechs. Today we have an iPhone 12 Pro, hot off the presses. I just picked it up at the Apple Store. It is the morning of the release, the 23rd of October.